Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys is Spaghetti Hill Climb time trial number 2. It's a very busy day, it's sunny, that means there's going to potentially be loads of cyclists and yeah, lots of congestion. So the matter of trying to get the time trial done correctly and amongst other human beings is going to be difficult, but guys, we're going to try to smash it out. Beautiful day. Also guys, the current time to beat is 1 minute 28. Okay, 1 minute 28 seconds. It's going to be very hard to shave time off on this type of trial run or time trial, primarily because it's a very small road, and especially the busier it is, the harder it is. So that makes it more fun, right? Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to attempt run number 1. The time to beat is 1 minute 28. And there are going to be cyclists on this route, I can just tell. This is going to be a tough one, guys. Clock starting now. Still on time, guys. We could beat this. Very slim chance though, folks. We are stuck behind an absolute snail. Oh, that took us 1:45 behind these guys.
I fall in a deep dark space. They say things get better. Just hold your time and feels like I'm waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
Again guys, this is just about trying to time this all right. Trying to see if there's a car coming there. Bear in mind, we've got that cyclist halfway up the damn hill and they take forever. Here comes 2 cars. Alright guys, clock is starting now. we didn't have that cyclist in the way. That was a definite steal. I just want to show you guys this. You can't really see the full effect of it, but this viewpoint is very pretty. It sort of overlooks, especially on a day like today, it's absolutely stunning. And it sort of overlooks the whole of my area basically, which are really, really nice. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap of Spaghetti Hill Climb trial number 2. I would say today probably wasn't as successful as the first run. The first run, for some reason, the roads were a lot quieter. But today is busy. I tried even a third run, and even that was unsuccessful. Cyclists, man, come on. I have nothing really against you guys. It's just coming up this hill right now. I need to be able to do this time trial. Anyways guys, we topped that off. I would say if that cyclist was not in the way, he was right at the end of this where I would have checked the time. Like, we were on par with the first video, the first time trial, where we managed to get 1 minute 28. I believe we probably either would have been 128 on the dot or 127. Stay locked in as always. And guys, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Lekker, bye.